Hello, welcome to the farm again. It's your simple farm girl. What you're seeing in this video is called an umbilical hernia. Among the many physical abnormalities, umbilical hernias are the most common in pig farming. It is a massive growth from the navel and abdomen of a pig, which is below and in front of the testicles, like you can see in this video. Is hardly passed from the parents to offspring. This can be caused during birth of piglets, where the umbilical cord may be stretched when removed from the sow, putting too much strains on the umbilical cord. There are several other causes of umbilical hernias. To check for possible signs, examine the navel at birth and after 2 days later to see if there are abnormalities. If the hernia is large and the pig is on concrete floors or on slates, they should be moved to a bedded pen so that the skin over the hernias will not be ulcer. To prevent umbilical hernias in piglets, ensure to use iodine to clean the umbilical cord of newborn piglets. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any other comments aside this, if you have any ideas about umbilical hernias, please comment, like, drop your suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you.